Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos from iPhone to Google Photos on Android. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer photos from your iPhone to Google Photos on Android, begin by installing the Google Photos app on your iPhone from the App Store. Once the app is installed, open Google Photos on your iPhone. Sign in using your Google account credentials. After logging in, the app may prompt you to back up your photos and videos. Choose the Backup and Sync option to enable automatic backups. Select the upload quality you prefer, either high quality or original. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Tap the backup option to start uploading your photos to Google Photos. Wait for the backup process to complete. This may take some time depending on the number of photos. Once your photos are backed up, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your iPhone. Once signed in, you will see all your backed up photos from your iPhone. You can now access and manage your photos from your Android device seamlessly. If you want to download specific photos from Google Photos to your Android phone, select the photos you wish to download. Tap on the three-dot menu icon for options. Choose the download option to save the selected photos directly to your Android device. Now, your photos are successfully transferred from your iPhone to Google Photos on your Android. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.